Hey guys, let's open a package I got from Alibaba. I wanted to introduce you guys the whitecat brand. This brand has been acting as a pioneer for detergent and household cleaning products since 1963. Now let's go ahead and do some laundry and try out their bubble paper and color and dirt grabber. One of the best things about this whitecat laundry bubble paper is that it's highly concentrated and eco-friendly. Only 1 to 2 tablets and it'll meet all your demands. Now this whitecat color and dirt grabber efficiently protects cross-dyeing. It's also eco-friendly and absorbs all harmful heavy metals. The great thing I've noticed about these products is that all of my clothes come out very clean and none of them have faded. It also has a very long-lasting fragrance. These whitecat detergents and household cleaning products are all available to purchase on Alibaba.com.